This is the vertex. Vertex is the midpoint between focus and the directrix. Focus is the fixed point, which is always inside the parabola, while directrix is the fixed line, and it is always outside the parabola. This is the focal length, P. It is the distance from the vertex to the focus, also equal to the distance from the vertex to the directrix. This is the latus rectum. It is the focal width of the parabola. It is a line segment passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of symmetry. Its length is 4p and has both endpoints on the parabola. This half is 2p. Also, this half is 2p. This is the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is a line that passes through the focus and vertex, dividing the parabola into two symmetric halves. Given the focus and directrix. First, plot the focus. Coordinate 0, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6. So this is the focus. Directrix is y equals -6, 2, 4, 6. Then find the focal length. Focal length is the distance from vertex to focus. So let's count. 2, 4, 6. The p-value is 6. P-value is going upward. So the opening of this parabola is upward. So we use the equation x squared equals 4py. Then substitute the value of p here. What is p? 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. So our equation is x squared equals 24y. Then latus rectum is equal to 4p. What is 4p? 24. This is 2p. 2p here. So this is 12 and this is 12. So let's count from focus. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. So this is the point, and the other one is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. So this is the other point, and this is the focal width of this parabola. Coordinates are positive 12, 6 and negative 12, 6. And draw the parabola. Given the focus and directrix. First, plot the focus. Coordinates 0, -8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This the focus. Directrix y equals 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the directrix. Focal length or the p-value is from vertex to the focus. So let's count 2, 4, 6, 8. P-value is equal to -8. The opening of this parabola is downward, bababa, because the p-value is negative. Then we use the equation x squared equals 4py. Substitute the value of p. What is p? Negative 8. 4 times negative 8 equals negative 32. So this is the equation. X squared equals negative 32y. Then for the latus rectum is equal to absolute value of the 4p. So what is 4p? 32. So always positive ang answer. Kasi yung absolute ang kinukuha natin. Absolute value. Okay? So this is 2p and this is 2p, or 2 times 8 is 16. So 16 here, 16 here. Let's count from focus. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So this is the point, and the other point is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So this is the other point, and this is the focal width of this parabola. And the coordinates are positive 16, negative 8, and negative 16, negative 8. And draw the parabola. Given the focus and directrix. First, plot the focus. Coordinate negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0. This is the focus. Directrix x equals 2, 1, 2. This is the directrix. X equals 2. Then the focal length, distance from vertex to focus. Count the distance, 1, 2. So the p-value is negative 2, going to the left. So the opening of this parabola is to the left. So the equation is y squared equals 4px. Substitute the value of p here. Value of p is negative 2. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So the equation is y squared equals negative 8x. Then for the latus rectum, 4p is equal to 8. So from focus, half of this is 4 and the other one is 4. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point, and the other point is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the focal width of this parabola. And the coordinates are negative 2, 4, and negative 2, negative 4. And draw the parabola. Given the focus and directrix. First, plot the focus. Coordinate 3, 0. X is 3, y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. So this is the focus. And directrix x equals negative 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the directrix x equals negative 3. For the focal length or the p-value, distance from vertex to focus. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So the p-value is positive 3. The opening of this parabola is going to the right. So the equation is y squared equals 4px. Substitute the value of p here. What is p? 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So the equation is y squared equals 12x. For the latus rectum is equal to the absolute value of 4p. So what is 4p? 12. So this is 2p and this is 2p. Or this is 6 and this is 6. So let's count from focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the point, and the other point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the other end point. So this is the focal width of this parabola. The coordinates are positive 3 and positive 3, comma 6 and positive 3, negative 6. And draw the parabola.